Susie gang, what's up, wagwan, what's popping, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. It's another beautiful Wednesday. Wednesday is just my favorite day for some very weird reasons. I love the fact that like Monday and Tuesday is over, we are left with Thursday and Friday, even though there's not really much difference in Dubai because I don't have a free day. Today I was just privileged enough, to be honest. I am going to make my hair and also change money. They always pay my salary in cash, so I need to fix a way to change it and send to my Nigerian account.
Hola, this is voiceover Susan. I had to wash my clothes before leaving, and yes, I took the subway because it was the easiest and the cheapest way to get to this place. It's really far, trust me. So I got to the area, and the lady that's supposed to make my hair did not come pick me on time. I just had to enter the store and just get a few things. Trust me, I had no plans of spending so much, but I ended up spending so much. Okay, so I got myself a phone also, baby girl. I'm about to create mad content for you guys because my old phone has been giving me troubles, but here it is, baby. So the plan was to get the phone on my birthday or a week to my birthday, at least for myself, a gift to myself, but it just happened, and trust me, I got this at a very normal and reasonable price. I'm shocked, but it is what it is. Yeah, early birthday gift or whatever. Will I recommend these guys? Yes, I will, because they were really accommodating. Yes, I finally made my hair. I got to the place. The lady that made my hair was Ugandan, and girl, I had to eat. Okay, I'm such a foodie, don't blame me, it's not my fault. Okay. Yeah, I left and I was heading home. Guys, I got home really late. I got home by past 1 a.m. Like, look at the time. I literally just got home by this time. It was crazy, but what can I do? I mean, I need to look good too, okay?
Hello. C'est comment? You can't put this one. So my roommate said my hair was so pretty. Anyways, I could not finish the food from the hairdresser's place. I had to bring it back home and warm to eat because, girl, I can't waste my food. This is me trying to set up the phone, and this is the next day. Okay, I could not end the vlog that night because I was so tired. Oh god. Yep, Nivea to the world, baby. Anyways, let's do a little unboxing. This is the phone. It's 256 gig. I got this Puma bag that I really don't know if I'm gonna need it now, but whatever. I got this Baccarat, whatever, you know what I mean, okay? I got this Crocs resemblance. It's so comfy, like literally. This is literally one of the best thing I got. I got Nivea roll-on stick, and I got Mosuf perfume. It's given, baby. Look at that. I've always wanted to have this while I was in Nigeria, but I could not afford it then because obviously, how much is my salary in Nigeria? Baby. Anyways, moving on. I got this really nice looking sneakers. Let me tell you guys something. What attracted me to these sneakers is the fact that there is no design or anything. Like, there's no brand attached to this thing. Not a single brand. That was even what made me love it the more. Like, no Chinese name, no nothing, just typical schmickle or whatever, okay? Baby, look at that. Girl, you look so beautiful. Okay, so I decided to tear this apart and just show you guys what the perfume actually looks like. I was still doing this before my friend came in. Yes, baby. Happy? Obviously. Come in. Wow!
漂亮吗？
You should do like this long time ago, okay? 她应该早早的做，看她好女生了哈。
我真的是女生。
Sometimes I think you're fake. Okay, gotta go. Bye.
Bye. See you at work.
You make the right choice.
Yes, baby.
Yeah. I love it. So I really want to be happy.
Abibi. So you guys, I'm a big sucker for good smell. I don't know if you guys would want to see like my collections or my skincare routine, even though my skin is not so great, but like feminine products, the things that I use. If you would love to see a video like that, please let me know in the comment section or in my DM, because I noticed that a lot of people don't feel comfortable dropping comments in the comment section, which is okay. All right, just send a DM to my Instagram. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys a glimpse of what my perfume section is looking like. Okay, so I'm on my way to work. I had to take one Sprite for the road because bro, it's so hot. I'll be going for a spa section today. This baby girl treatment has to be complete, baby girl. I've worked and now I'm earning and I need to take care of myself, baby. Anyways guys, I'm running really late. I'll see you guys later, maybe at the spa or where I go for the massage or anything I decide to do later. Okay, I am still at work. I'm tired. I already booked the appointment for the massage, so I'll be going there after closing. It's past 8 actually.
How much you got it? Rich African girl. No more Asian already. Even though you behave and talk like Asian, now no more already.
This vlog supposed to have ended since we're at 𝐵𝐵 Mall, but I'm trying to just add more content to the vlog because I could not go for the spa anymore, for the massage actually. I got 这个吗？这个吧，这个我看蛮鸟嘞，好的，你看这个3千，对，这个是35，可以的吧？这个30，这个31，前一个牛排。在服务员，服务员。So I'm home now, and the office called in while we were shopping that we should go to the office and get our stuff, but we're already running late, so they had to bring the stuff to the dormitory, and I'm going to be working from home tomorrow. So I'm going to show you guys what that's going to look like tomorrow. With that being said, I want to take a shower and I'll see you guys. Foodie. The only foodie I know in my life in Dubai. She can eat for Africa.
Yeah.
And the sexy foodie. The beautiful foodie. I'm going to pass, okay? Ciao. You suck it. Okay, baby, suck it, baby. I'm very guy. Ew. Hi guys, good morning. It's not morning actually. The time is like past 12 and I just thought to just talk to you guys right now because I'm going to be working from home like I said yesterday. So yeah, I got my system set up. That's my roommate talking to Aman. So yeah, the lunch is ready. They brought our lunch already, so I'm going to be eating really like right now, but I have to brush my teeth first. So after brushing, I'm going to get something to eat, and let me just show you guys what my work table is looking like. It's messy. Just brush my teeth and yeah. So I wanted to eat semo, but there's this, I bought one yesterday, but there's this thing about semo. Sorry, I'm so cold and my roommates want to on the AC. There's this thing about semo here. If you don't eat it immediately and you decide to keep it to like the next day or something, it becomes so strong. And I'm trying to warm it. But it's not given, okay? So I bought a whole lot of food yesterday. I bought a 4 roll. I have ogbono here and the stew. Oh, fuck. This is the stew. So I'm just going to eat rice because the office brought food for us, but I'm not interested in eating that, so I'm going to eat the rice instead. And yeah, I just want to prepare, like try and warm up the stew here. So let's get it. All we do is eat, no matter what. It's my favorite food. Oh my god, this is called hot spots.
可以放那个肉片。
Come baby. New day, good morning. This is past 10 a.m. and I am back to working at all. I'm so tired, I'm so sleepy, oh god. So guys, I'm in the restroom, okay? I don't think anybody has ever done a video in the restroom, but yeah, I really don't care. I'm actually very down, like my mood is just because yesterday, like last night, I was on call with my family. I was explaining to my sister how I've not told you guys, my Instagram got hacked, my YouTube got hacked. I don't know who were offended, but these people are trying. They're trying me. Anyways, I was quite moody since last night up until this morning because I was going through my Instagram, trying to unfollow the people that some bots and some accounts that the person followed. So I was trying to unfollow them and I saw my sister's page and it got me really teary. Trust me, I was really down. And even though it's still very hard for all of us to believe, like it's still hard for us to take it in that she's gone, but really she's gone for good. It's just crazy. I miss my sister. I miss her so much.
And yeah, that's it. Okay, I don't want to cry on camera. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a poop and shower, take my breakfast, and that's it. I'll get back to work. I already did what I'm supposed to do this morning already. So I already posted, I scheduled the post for later in the afternoon. I replied all the chats and all the good stuff. So yeah, that's just it. I'll talk to you guys later, or maybe just end the vlog today because this vlog has been just all over the place, okay?
Imagine this camera is Susan. Talk to Susan.
Hey, that's impossible. I can only speak to her when she's around. Because I cannot create an imaginary image of her and I have to speak to her. It's quite difficult.
Something you want to tell her? That your hidden feeling?
Yeah, I love her. I love her. I love her a lot.
Okay, Susan, we love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye. We want to eat already.
Yeah.
We eat for you. Bye. Bye. I help you take video already. Okay, bye.
Okay, so I just feel the need to chip this in between this vlog. Please, I am open to collaborations, I am open to sponsorships, I am open to anything that is going to bring me money with video content, content creation, and all that good stuff. Okay, thank you very much, management. So the video is going to end here. The vlog is going to end here actually. Thank you guys so much for watching. There's really nothing else to do. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go back to work right now. This is like past 7 p.m. in Dubai. Yeah, I have a message on my laptop, so I have to go back to work, and I'll talk to you guys in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching to this point. If you made it to this point, you are the real MVP. Okay, I love you guys so much. Always remember to love what you do what you love, be yourself, love yourself, and believe in yourself. I remain your favorite baby girl, Susan Adike, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Ciao.